It's Christy. Right now we're at David's Salon in the Cantina, and right now we're gonna do like a little snack. It's Christian, say hi. So Regina's gonna try a little snack. Tell us about it.
Well, I was having one of my cravings, and I got this cream-filled cake. I'm about to try it. It smells really good, and it looks really good. So I guess it's a chocolate. I like anything cream-filled.
She's eating crap.
Oh no! Okay, well, there's no cream filling there.
What? You got jacked.
No, it's like that. It actually just like stays in there. It actually just goes in there. Like,
What? Is that the cream filling?
That's it.
yeah. There's supposed to be a lot, but it just goes inside.
It's good.
Unless
Try
Is it?
Unless the cream one.
It's good.
What's it called? Dream.
Like the wrapper.
Get it. It's delicious.
It's a little dry. It's a little dry, but it's good. How about the other one? What did you get? Primo!
That one has the real cream in it.
Really? Is it powdered?
No, it's not like
Okay. Are we good?